Well, hello. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to perform a center cut that will be used, for example, to make a door on your geometry in your buildings. Okay? Let's start using our input of 10 by 10 units, and let's make an extrusion of 4 units that will be a floor in your building. This will be what's up? Okay, amount of 4 units, and this will be my result. Now I'm going to select the thous face and perform a centered cut for draw a door in this cut. There are two ways of doing this. In the south face, I'm going to use the first method for that. Let's select the south face and let's make a cut. In this cut, first I'm going to define the upper level of my door. I will say my door will have 2.5 units high. Okay, the result will be this. Now I have the top level of my door. Now I will perform a cut in this part, and that cut will be centered. This is the way to do that. First, I make a perpendicular cut from the south side of the area, and then I will say this segment will be the 50% of the whole segment, and now I'm assuring that this cut will be in the center of the face. The result will be this. The cut is exactly in the center of the face. Here I have 5 units, and here I have another 5 units. The next, I just only have to make 2 parallels to this and another parallel to this. I will say this parallel will have 0.6 units, and this parallel will have 0.6 units from the center. I will label this as accent and make the compass for the edges, and now I have my door. I have to select my cut, and here simplify output faces. I select yes, and the faces with the same label will be merged. This is one way to make a door centered in a face, but it's not the most elegant. I have to, as you can see, this edge is cut because of the cut in the center. So I have to select accent and perform a merge, join collinear segments, and this will be the result. This is not the most elegant way to perform this kind of cut, there is another way. Let's select the north face and let's make another kind of cut. First, again, I will make the upper level of my door parallel, and the distance will be 2.5, the same that the previous cut, 2.5. This, now I'm the north face, this will be my result. Now I'm going to make a centered cut using another method. That will be make a repeat cut. The repeat cut, as in the tutorial of the repeat cut, I said that when you define a repeat cut, you define the directive, the director cut along which you will perform the repeating cuts. This is the direction cut, and the repeat cut will be along, perpendicular to that, along the this cut. Okay, I select cut and I will say repeat. But in this case, I'm going to perform only one cut by length. In the primary, I will define the width of my door, 1.2 units, and I will say the maximum cut will be 1. And I have to keep the distance in the primary and adjust the secondary here. And then I will define my labels. My primary face will be accent, that will be the door, and the edges of that face will arrange my edges, and this will be the result. As you can see, is very much easier. It's easier this way, and you have your door centered. Well, the result is the same, but this method is easier than the previous. Okay? That's it for today. I hope that this will be useful for the future 3D experience.